never knew that? Wow. Paul Stanley. Oh, hello there. I was just reading a book. Paul Stanley, The Star Child. Eh? Oh, bonjour, Nation Dog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO. It's okay. What should we talk about today? I was just reading about the Star Child. Hey, you know what, you kids? That could be a word. Star. Anang. Star. Yeah, okay. And it's good to read books. You kids spend too much time on a phone. Too much time watching videos. Eh? You should read more books. Books are good. Yeah, I say that, and then here I am talking on the internet. But it's a nice day. You should really go outside and... Actually, it's kind of cloudy. Is it raining? It's cloudy and raining. Okay, two more Ojibwe words. Cloudy. Ningwakod. Ningwakod, eh? And it's raining. Gimiwan. Gimiwan. Raining. So yeah, maybe it's a better day to just stay inside. Yeah. Maybe I'll just read this book. Hey, you know what? Maybe if I'm gonna read, I could listen to Kiss music. Okay, you kids, that's all I got for today. I'm gonna read and listen to music. It's a rainy day. Kikawaba men. I'll see you again. Okay, let's see. What should I listen to?